Most people believe learning fast is about talent or intelligence. But here's the truth. Research from Stanford and Harvard shows that deliberate practice and learning strategies are far more important than natural ability. Mozart wasn't born playing the piano. He practiced intensely from childhood. Kobe Bryant wasn't just talented. He was known for practicing harder and smarter than anyone else. Elon Musk taught himself rocket science by reading textbooks and asking the right questions. So if you've ever told yourself, "I'm just not smart enough," drop that belief right now, because learning faster is not about being born gifted. It's about following the right process. 1. The core principle: focus on the 20%. The first key to learning faster is understanding the Pareto principle, the 80-20 rule. In almost anything you learn, 20% of the effort gives 80% of the results. If you're learning a new language, just the top 1,000 words cover about 85% of daily conversation. If you're learning guitar, mastering a few common chords allows you to play hundreds of songs. In business, a small percentage of skills, like sales and communication, make the biggest difference. So the first step to learning faster is asking, what are the 20% of skills that matter most? What gives me the fastest results with the least wasted effort? Once you focus on the essentials, you accelerate your progress like never before. 2. Break it into small chunks. Here's where most people go wrong. They try to swallow everything at once, but your brain doesn't work like that. According to neuroscience, your working memory can only hold about 4 chunks of information at a time. So instead of overwhelming yourself, break things down into bite-sized pieces. If you're learning to code, don't try to master an entire programming language in a week. Start with one concept: variables, then loops, then functions. If you're learning basketball, focus on dribbling before you worry about three-pointers. Small chunks equals fast mastery. And here's the trick. Every time you successfully learn a chunk, your brain releases dopamine, which makes you more motivated to keep going. 3. The power of active learning. Now, this is where most learners waste time. Think about it. How many times have you seen someone learning by just passively reading, watching videos, or highlighting notes? The problem? That's not how our brains are wired to remember. Studies show that active learning, where you do the task instead of just watching, improves retention by up to 300%. Instead of just watching cooking tutorials, actually cook the recipe. Instead of just reading about public speaking, practice giving short talks in front of a mirror or a friend. Instead of memorizing facts, quiz yourself. If you want speed, you can't just absorb, you have to engage. Learn by teaching. One of the fastest ways to learn anything is called the Feynman technique. It's simple. Learn the concept. Explain it in simple words as if teaching a child. Find gaps in your explanation. Go back, fill in the gaps, and refine. Why does this work? Because teaching forces you to simplify, organize, and truly understand. 5th, immersion and environment. Think about how children learn their first language. They don't study grammar books. They don't take notes. They live inside the language. That's immersion. If you want to learn something fast, surround yourself with it. Want to learn Spanish? Change your phone settings, watch Spanish shows, and join groups where people actually speak it. Want to learn business? Read case studies, follow entrepreneurs, and spend time with people who think like business owners. Want to learn fitness? Spend time at the gym, watch training sessions, and hang out with people who live healthy lifestyles. Your environment shapes your learning speed more than you realize.